me, so So, we're going to start with this 3D magic box. 3D magic box. 3D magic miniscope. We're starting out with reading. Money shot. Actually comes with this thing. Oh, no instructions. Whoa. I was about to lose this cookie. Do it like this. Can you see it? Let's make this better. Yeah, see it. I'm going to do I only have 4 boxes. Let's do this one. This box, it's heavy. Money shot. Oh. That's right. An alligator foot. Like, yeah. Who even plays this game anymore? Five Nights at Freddy's, can you see that? Who plays Five Nights at Freddy's? Stop Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh no. Box fell overboard. There goes my phone. Be right back. Alright, it's just anything left in the box? No. Pens. Tech deck. Cat. Nope. Stickers. This will be the stupidest things in the game. These are, I can't see it. Here. Toad and a coin. Like, why do you need this? Let's try it up. So we got pens, stickers, pencils, dinosaur. Okay, that's nice. Got a pink Victoria's Secret box. Yeti. Hey, go away. Stop watching. Is this one? Oh, here's that skateboard. Yeah, that's my table. He's gonna throw up. What's the point of it? Oh, is this? Oh, hey, there's a spot. Oh, there's glitter. There. Doesn't work. Oh, a pink ball. Krypton. Cup. I got nice sister. Okay, you asked for it. I'll be right back. I got some more boxes and yeah, I had to clean up too. So I'll be right back. So I cleaned up some mess. So I'll be right back. I need to go get some last package. Oh, this is other footage for my cousin. Yeah, he was here today. Just kidding, that was one thing in the box. Oh, ew, nasty. Where's that glove? Let's do it. So, we got Panda. Do you see that? Ew, it's all dirty. So next thing we got. Man, what's wrong with it all night? Yeah, right. There. Charger. I doubt this thing works. I better go try. Oh, I got a new tablecloth. Oh, I got a tablecloth. There you go. Now it's so bright. Sauce table too. There's not. Looks swag. Got some handcuffs. Look that way. This is such an old camera. That's for that, please. Oh, I got it all over the place. Oh. So like some on the camera right there, right there, right there. bad unboxing. Well, that's it for bad unboxing. Oh, God. Oh boy. Oh. Well, that's it for bad unboxing. We'll see you guys in the next video. Oh.